To you people, Mama Susie in the house once more, just to show you guys the finishing touch today, because yesterday the people them never off the food, so I didn't get to show you anything. So over here, just zoom in. Over here we have some white rice. In the red pot we have some rice and peas, and over here we have the steamed veg. So that's the steamed veg right here with carrot in it, sweet pepper, onion, scallion, thyme, tomato. That's the steamed veg. So what the people request today, that's what I'm giving them. Over here I have the jerk chicken that's done a couple, like a hour ago or half an hour ago. So that's done. And later on I'm going to do the famous sauce. Come over here now, Jesse, or you have to come. And over here was the curry chicken that I showed you earlier on. So that's the finishing touch of it. So it's curry chicken, jerk chicken, steamed veg, rice and peas, and some white rice with famous sauce. So I'm going to make up the famous sauce in a minute. So this is what we're having today. So from MSK, Wally Palov, Heart of Love from Mama Susie. Can order the food, FedEx it, you know I will send it to you anywhere you are. Or when you come to Belgium, you know where to find me. Love you, peace out.